So today we're going to unbox a vintage Coach wallet. So let's see what we've got here. It looks like we still have the original gift receipt. It says the item was purchased in 1998. Still comes with the original tissue paper. So here's what we've got. So this is apparently the compact credit card wallet in British tan, style number 4685. And when we open it, it even comes with the original little price tag. So obviously this item was really nicely preserved over the years. So I'll go ahead and show you the item itself now. So as you can see, it's a men's credit card wallet. So here's the front and back again. And when we open it, it's got a bunch of credit card slots, obviously, and then this area here as well for cash, and a couple side pockets here and here as well. And it does say right here that it was made in India. You probably can't see that super well on camera, but it does say it there under this little interior pocket. And of course, it does have the Coach cartouche stamped right there, as you can see. So this is just a really nice men's wallet. So this wallet is available now in our online store, so I will link it below just in case you wanted to check it out. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.